Hi guys, I'm Chris,
I'm Jen.
and so today we've got a bit of a week's worth of effort to go on one of the last of our projects we're just closing out. We've got some tenants that are shifting out and some new ones that are shifting in a week's time. So we're going to do a bit of a video on the finish up of that, and we'll put some stills in the middle of it showing you the progress we made over the last probably 18 months worth of renoing that we've done. So I hope you enjoy and see how we go.
What time?
Hey guys, Sunday morning. We have a ritual in our house. Sunday market, bacon sandwich and coffee. Although this morning, getting ready for the swim season, so I'm going to go have a bit of a swim in the ocean first.
How's your swim?
Oh my god, freezing.
How was your swim?
Freezing, absolutely freezing.
Now, what do you do in terms of helping us renovate, Kate? What are you? You are the trailer loading person.
I would consider myself a labourer.
Yes, you're the labourer.
Yeah.
Nice labourer, though.
You've got a few odd jobs to do at the house. The first one's going to be some picture framing of this little hatch. Then we'll check the mitre, make sure it's right. Today is day 4 of the reno. We're in almost clean-up mode. A few little odd jobs, a few little painting touch-ups here and there, some work downstairs.
Painting for me, again, always painting.
So one of the first jobs we've got today is to finish the strip along here with some capping. We're just going to use some pine trim for that. It's about 7 o'clock on day 4, and this place is nearly done. Looking pretty good. The stairs. First job for today, tiling the bathroom, back of the bath. So here we have the job. It's about 65, 70 tiles to go. Spent the last hour and a half, 2 hours cutting down tiles. The tiles themselves, you have a bit of a bevel cut to them so that they match up nicely along this edge.
Oh my god, Dad. You did that.
Looking good.
It's coming along. The real tough part's been this edge. Monitoring those corners. Start from the top and not the bottom.
It's good that it's waterproofed. It'll get extra protection. It'll match nicely with those. And the tiles match the paint colour. For a bit
It's
of...
obviously purely an accident. Because we're idiots.
Yep. Antique white, not Arctic white, but that's okay.
It's okay.
It's a bit of a contrast there.
And I ran out of tiles. Yeah.
Not good, but that's okay.
Mainly these. The stairs. Phase 1 done. We'll finish the rest of them tomorrow. So we're cutting carpet for the stairs. 7:40, 7:30 by about 5:50. I'm doing each individually. The stairs themselves are being glued to the underfelt, and the underfelt's being glued to the floor. It stops the carpet moving side to side and backwards and forwards, and then stapling underneath on the very bottom of the bullnose. There you have it, one set of stairs done.